shots whenever the smoke clear out of my face. And my picture baby, the door look fried. All of that green and yellow that drip from your eyes is telling your demise. I'm to my side, the bitch by the ceiling, the bitch by the feeling lied to the side. I replay them nights, somebody by my side, all I see is a sea of people that ride me. If they just knew what Scotty would do to jump out the stage and say I'm a child. The things I created became the most weighted. I gotta find balance and keep me in style.
I move like a millipede when I flex them tendons like rubber trees. Young Willie Jackson, back to the shit. Mouthpiece drawn by the verbal armor. Stack bodies, not figurines. Move beneath the surface, submarine. I'm half machine, obscene with a light sword. Look inside the brain, it's a ride in the sideboard. What you standing on the side for? Roar like a lioness, punch like a cyborg. Spit slick, attack is subliminal. Flowers on my mind, but the rhyme starts sinister. Stab behind my own bars like I see a criminal. Gotham City streets, I'm playing the crushing any system that riddles us. Antidote to every poison that administer. Switching like top signatures, colors in my own right time to cover the perimeter. Brown bodies like the blues wanna shoot through. High res lenses wanna roll over your eyes. My strength ain't nothing like my size. Leads on the tongue, Kathleen Cleaver. Tag on my chords like a weaver.